Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another beautiful afternoon here at Capital Site. This is me and this is all my friends. Yep.
Congratulations on that dream. We are builders, standing proud, making cities, reaching clouds. Through the rain or through the shine, we lay the future line by line. Every beam, every nail in place tells a story of strength and grace. With hard hats on and boots so worn, shape tomorrow, we transform. Through the sweat and dust, we stand so tall. Until Solia, the Ritwork, Moscow, yet brick by brick, we give our all. From the ground up, we make it right, turning dreams into shining heights. Congratulations on that dream.